Dom, man.
All right, Dennis, man.
Nice meeting you, man. All right, let me grab my stuff. All right, so we're about to add 2 new keys to this vehicle. This is a 2016 Grand Caravan. Auto detect. Okay, we got a Dodge. If you have a learned key, turn on the ignition. To execute function, automatic selection, please select correct vehicle brand. Okay. Okay. Fobbie key. Okay. The repassword is 9869. Yes. Learn one key, we're gonna learn the next one. Yes. No. So we should be good. Escape. Should be 5 keys programmed. So we got the new key here. This is the new key. Stick that in. Starts it right up. Try the new key, the other new key, second one. And we did that. So right now we're decoding the key so we can make the emergency key fit on these new keys. Try the remote start. Other key.